Hey Boo, so today I'm going to tell you guys some of the things that I had to do and change in order to reach that next level in my entrepreneurial journey. I remember when I was ready to be like, okay, I'm going to make my first $1 million this year. I'm really going to elevate my companies. The first thing that I left behind was any relationships or things that didn't serve me or felt like unaligned. Like if it hurt, if it was painful, if it made me feel negative, I got really good at like in a very ethical way cutting that off and just like going towards things that were more vibrationally aligned with what I was trying to achieve. Another really important thing that I had to leave behind was eating unhealthy. My life has completely changed since I started making like healthier choices and really like respecting my body and thinking every time I eat something, like, do I want this to become part of my cellular makeup? It's changed my energy, it's changed my skin, it's changed the way I look, the way I feel, my performance on a daily basis. To reach that next level, I really had to make a choice to do more. So for me, that was going to the gym. Ever since I've been healthier and my body has actually like physically been stronger and more dense and muscular, I feel so much better. I feel so much safer. I feel so much more powerful in my day-to-day life. Another really important thing in reaching that next level was really showing up, looking the part and feeling the part. I'm really like mindful of my internal conversations now and how I think of myself. And also even like the way I dress and put myself together. Like I always make sure I leave the house ready, looking good, feeling good, excited for like beautiful opportunities to flow towards me. And when I'm by myself, rather than just letting my brain just kind of go to its default programming, I'm always trying to, absorb new literature, listen to audiobooks, think positive thoughts, physically saying things out loud that are aligned with where I want to be. And just like constantly thinking and welcoming new beautiful circumstances into my life experience.